All right, so today I'm straightening out this support here on the front. You can see a bumper goes on here. And as I'm trying to straighten out this bent piece, the nut that goes on the back of it popped off. And you can't go through the bottom because there's plate there. You've got to go around the top in here to get this nut put back on, and there's no way for me to easily weld that. So in comes a rivet nut, which is the way to do it. So you can pick up a tool like this from Harbor Freight. It actually comes with a few rivet nuts. This is an M8. We might have to drill out the hole a little bit to get it to fit, but the bolt here will fit and mount into that. So let me grab a drill real quick. I'm going to show you how I use this. You open it all the way up, press it firm against there, tightener to tighten it down. Again, make sure it's all the way wide, and then just going to pull it together. This is as tight as we can get it. So we'll unscrew this. That feels pretty tight. Let's see if a bolt will go in here. And that's it. That will hold it on.